We all care for our future, isn't it? But we care for your future. You know why? Because our future lies in your hands, my dear little children. As you children are the future citizens, as you are the nation builders, I, Nalima Trivedi, class teacher of 2nd C, welcome you all for a totally new learning experience. I hope you are all healthy and in good shape to begin with our virtual classes. As we all are aware of the current situations, and we can't begin with the schools. So the school has come to you and it is at your fingertips. I would like to state some guidelines for you children and some for parents. First of all, you need to use your parents' mobiles or laptops. But remember that you use only and only for educational purpose. That means you will only study from it. Try not to misuse it. Do not play games on mobiles. Okay? That is very important because if you play games, you will be in a bad habit. Second, the book list is available on the parents portal on Campus Care. Okay, and if you have arranged for the books, fine. If you have not, you can take it from the novelty bookshop on 7th. If you do not have your books, you need not worry because teachers will be posting the pictures of the textbooks. Whatever page they are teaching, they will be posting that, they will be sending that page also on the app. Okay, so you can see what is being taught to you. New notebooks can be purchased if you have an access. If you do not, classwork will be starting very soon. You need to write, so you can use your old notebooks. You can ask your parents to remove the written pages and you can use it. But remember that you have to maintain it, write neatly, maintain index so that you can refer to it for a longer time. Okay. Parents, today you will be receiving a welcome note, a timetable for studies, and a list of teachers for the session in the PDF format. As per the timetable, teachers will upload their classes, so you can take it from the end tab and you can help your children to view it. But students, remember that you have to be very attentive and you have to do it very carefully. Children, few instructions for you also. Begin your day with a prayer. Pray to God. Be thankful to God. Okay. Recite your tables as you used to do in standard 1. You remember after the assembly you used to take up orals immediately. So the same way, when you sit for your studies, you know the timings are there. So you know now I'll be sitting after 5 minutes. So you should start your tables. 1 to 5 they were taught in class 1. So you should start revising them every day. When English teacher teaches a poem, you should recite it every day. When a prose is taught, you should read it every day. And then learn the spellings. Read as many times as you can. And you have to do one thing very important, that is reading. Reading is must, children. And remember, it is you who's going to read, not your parents. So please do read before you go to bed. So without reading, you cannot sleep. Okay, so that is how you will make a habit of reading. So with these little instructions, you should be ready for your virtual classes. So be at home, take good care of yourselves and your family members, help them. Thank you so much. Take good care.